This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, in order to do that, we will need to download and install the third-party app that is called Caffeine. That's the free app you can get from the Play Store, so nothing difficult so far. So here is the app that we were looking for. Now let's wait for it to get quickly downloaded and installed. And since this is a very lightweight app, just under 7 megabytes in storage space occupied, as you can see, it will be downloaded in no time. Now launch this application and make sure that the timeout section has been set to the infinite value. And as long as you do not close the Caffeine app and it stays active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.